Okay, so I know it's like super late right now, like it's already 2 or something in the morning, and I just really, really have to show you guys the cutest thing ever. Alright? Alright, look. How cute is that? How freaking adorable is that? My puppy is like sleeping right next to my pillow. He never does that. He does not love to cuddle. And the fact that he's doing this, oh my god, I can't even like get over it. It's so adorable. That just brings a huge smile to my face. It's like so cute. He does so many cute things. I definitely need to post some more videos of him. So, but yeah, look at, he's got a diaper on because he's not even a year old yet. So he still has accidents, but he's getting better though. So, and sorry about the annoying light. I don't want to actually turn on my light. So, but yeah, I'm gonna try and get some sleep. But really, this is so freaking cute. Look at that. Oh, I'm sorry. He just he'll go back. He'll go back. Yeah. All right. Good night, guys.